water deep.
Let's get on with it.
Let's be quick.
All right. What now?
Trust no one.
Let's move.
There is work to do.
No rest for the wicked, I see.
No time to rest.
Someone there? Oh, for a skeleton key. Tread lightly. Which way to the nearest library?
Whatever comes, I'm ready.
Looking ahead.
Simple.
No one back home will ever believe this. I wonder if this is worth the cost. Time for some bloody work.
Yes, here.
My faith will protect me.
One can't always be a gentleman. Good move.
Can't afford to let up.
The dance macabre.
Time to push my luck again.
There's blood in the air.
Another fight. Let's go.
Turn someone inside out.
Got to focus. On my way.
Sometimes the only way out is through.
A tale for the ages.
Bleeding fast. I must heal.
Time to kill.
Can't even catch my breath.
I'm ready.
Shall we dance?
What should I do?
Swords meet sorcery.
Still breathing, despite everything. Healing.
Don't touch me. Step quick.
At least things have stayed interesting.
Keep your distance, darling. Yes, please. Another mask. A whole gaggle of Merregons. They never fight alone, though. Where's their commander?
won't stop me yet. We get along quite well, I think. Another mask. The Merrigan's leader might still be around here. Have to keep going. Open up.
My good fellow. Quite the cozy setup you have here. I'll just make myself comfortable. Thank you so much.
You wish to speak? Impressive. Most would quake at the mere thought of delving that far into the Underdark. What did you find? Keep looking. If they're present, then it's likely there's a route to Moonrise somewhere. It may prove impossible to avoid the Shadow Curse entirely, but if you find any way to limit your exposure, seize it. With such stimulating company? Never better. Miss it? Oh dear, no. It's a terrible burden. Takes you away from nature and forces you to deal with others' problems and personalities. Be wary of anyone who actually wants such a role, I say. Likely they don't understand it, or they have ill intent. I'm just glad to be out here amidst the Oak Father's creations.
You carry a Githyanki relic. I will have an explanation. Or your head.
Walk away. Now. I won't warn you again. Lae'zel thinks I have something important to her people. She's deluded, clear.
Lies. She carries an heirloom of my people. I must know why.
You hear that, Lae'zel? It's called common sense.
Tisk. You seek reason and dishonor. Incorrect. Judicious bloodletting settles feuds and roots out the weak, the deceitful.
Do you hear this, tribe? Our lives are at stake, and she wants us to turn on each other.
No others. Just you and me.
I doubt this one's wits will be any sharper by then.
I do not wish to spill blood here. Come daylight, we will find a place to end this.
Fine. You can accept you're wrong, or we'll be rid of you permanently. Either way, I win. You had every chance to look the other way. But here we are. You chose this.
Spare me the justifications, coward!
If anyone asks, I'll say you were transforming. Don't expect to be mourned. She's a liability. It's the artifact we need, not her.
Let me up, and I'll show you.
Can I do that, Lae'zel? Can I turn my back on you?
Never. Thieves aren't afforded such luxury.
Loosen the grip on your pride for one blasted moment, won't you? We needn't be enemies. There's plenty of those to go around already.
What would you have? That we be friends?
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But imagine what we might achieve if we channeled some of that hostility back at our real foes, instead of each other. They wouldn't stand a chance.
Curious. I drained you dry. Yet your body seems no more worse for wear. Perhaps I might find use for it again. It is over where I am concerned. Yes. I'm sure you believe that. Reality would not reflect your ego, I'm afraid.
Watch your back.
Is that blood? No, never mind.
There's something I want to talk to you about. Something important. My wound, my episodes. You were compassionate, where others might be wary or worse. You stood by me. Twice over, in fact. You supported me against Lae'zel. I may not have survived that night without you. I'm trying to say that you've earned my trust in a way very few ever have. I want that to mean something. I want you to know more about me, at least from what I can remember. As long as I've prayed to Lady Shah, I've wished to serve her as a Dark Justiciar. There is scarcely a greater way to fully dedicate yourself to Lady Shah, save perhaps if you become the head of her church. To become a Dark Justiciar is to become the Night Singer's sword arm, her implement with which she will cast down the unbelievers and win the final battle to restore her perfect, endless darkness. It's all I ever wanted. I prayed it was my calling. But Mother forbid me from seeking to prove myself worthy of the rank. She said I was not ready. Not my mother, I should add. The Mother Superior, head of Lady Shah's enclave in Baldur's Gate. Sometimes I wonder if she would ever deem me ready. I owe her everything, and I only wish to serve, yet she can prove inscrutable. Dark Justiciars are hated by many, judged to be ruthless fanatics. Even the few who would accept a follower of Lady Shah would likely balk at a Justiciar in their midst. But there's a simpler answer to your question. I simply forgot about the desire I had until I saw some things that reminded me. Now, I can't get it out of my mind. I don't know. Perhaps if I succeed in my mission and reach Baldur's Gate. Hope has little place amongst Lady Shah's children. It's an illusion, a distraction. But for this, I hope my time will yet come.
We aren't dear friends now, if that's what you're asking. But I trust we can all sleep a little more soundly in camp now. And get murdered by a pack of goblins or gnolls instead. Lae'zel might be a reluctant ally, but she is good at killing. I'll point her in their direction. Fine. What's on your mind?
I don't think I've ever had a confidant quite like you. And if I have, I can't remember them.
Best get going. If not over, then through.
I'm ready.
What to do?
What's next, I wonder?
Never a dull moment. Should mind my step. Have a lot on my mind. And, well, in it.
Moving.
Direct me.
Still alive. So that's progress.
Your desire.
Wits and blades, always sharp.
got a long road ahead, swift as my feet can carry me.
What a day. Shall we?
No one back home will ever believe this. Never wanted the easy path. At least things have stayed interesting. Platform's covered in rust. Must be older than bone dust.
A long way to go still.
You have my attention.
Have a lot on my mind. And, well, in it.
Lost in thought.
There's no time to waste.
Can't give up now. Need to find a way forward. Here we go.
What am I to do?
Charmed, I'm sure. All's well that ends. Well, not as bad as it could have.
No time to dally. No time to waste. Worth a shot?
Forge your blade in the fires and raise it in the mistress's name.
Shouldn't have wished to live in more interesting times. One day I'll catch a break.
How delicious.
Still breathing, despite everything. At the ready.
What's next?
Careful, I bite.
Looking ahead.
Unleash me. Step to it. This feels good.
Keep them guessing.
Can't give up. Not now. Moving.
I'm ready.
Well, so much for peace. Light on my feet.
Talk to me.
What now?
What fools these mortals be.
Let's spill some blood.
Survival is all that matters. A rough tempest I will raise.
Let's finish this. Can't afford to stay idle.
Let's move.
My faith protects me. I'll take this way. Might find something useful.